here we go. So, what we got going on here? Alright, so we're just gonna take you step by step on how to do this. Okay, so these are like the most amazing barbecue cheddar burgers you'll ever have in your whole entire life. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take 1 pound of lean ground turkeys. Now this is 93.7. Alright, we're talking like this is the best of the best possibly you can have. 99.1 is a little bit too lean, so we get a little bit more fat. It actually has a little more flavor. Up next, back, we'll go with the bacon bits, so the chopped up ones. Alright, perfect. Alright, so we have 4 strips of turkey bacon that we're going to be, we chopped up already, we already broken into pieces, already made, and we're going to throw that in the burger itself, actually. From there, we're going to do sauteed onions. Okay, so this is actually sauteed with garlic, actually, so that garlic actually really brings out a lot of flavor on your burger. You're definitely going to feel that your first bite is going to be unreal. Alright, so there's that. And then last one, okay, guys, so we're gonna get a little shout out here, okay, so this is actually a sauce that you put in the burger as well, or you could top it. It's one or the other. So we got some organic yellow mustard. There's like 5 ingredients. You guys can like use your typical stuff. Like look in the back. Sometimes there's like 20 plus ingredients. You don't want it, throw it out. But we have MoJo MaJik. All right, so this is barbecue sauce. This is actually the spicier stuff. And we do like an 1/8 cup of each, and we mix them. Okay, so but again, MoJo MaJik. You guys know most barbecue sauces. High in sugar, okay, you guys don't want that. It's gonna actually kind of crush your goals. Alright, so it's summertime, you want to stay on track, have a low sugar option. This actually has, I'm trying to read, I'm blind as a bat. How much does that say?
Your sugars?
Yeah. 9 grams of sugar as opposed to like 20 to 30 on your commercial brand. So add this in, guys, we're gonna put that right over top. Okay, so now what you're going to do is just go form patties. So you're going to mix that all up together with your hands here. So let Andrew go zoom in on that. Yeah, that product feels fantastic right now.
Oh, and the nails.
And now yeah, just got her nails done on top of it. So now as Maggie's going to be mixing this together, she's going to form this up, really try to mix it well. Forming them into patties. We actually have the sweet potato fries already on the grill. Okay, so Andrew cut those up earlier. He did salt, pepper, anything else on those? That was it? Yeah. Do garlic? Okay, no, that was it. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, so salt, pepper, and oil. That was all. So these are so now we're going to form that right in patties. So you're going to probably make like 4 of them.
Like this?
Yep. And then try to make a little bit thicker so they actually cook even in the middle. Boom. Perfect. And then stop right now. Boom, there we go. And that's how you guys do it. Alright, so we have the grill already preheating, that medium heat going on the grill right now, guys. Check us out in about like 2 minutes here. We're going to be showing you guys what's going on. Whoop, see ya. What's going on, Burn Nation? We're back at it, and now we're taking it to the grill. Okay, so welcome to my backyard, guys. So now we're just going to be taking it through the process. Alright, so we already got the sweet potatoes going. Alright, so what we did is Andrew put this in tin foil. He wrapped it on up, sealed it up really tight, and he only did salt, pepper, and a little bit of oil. And he has it on a medium heat. We've been running this go for about 15 minutes so far. We're going to put the patties on next. Okay, so Matt, go and throw them on. Alright, so really quick, we're going to slot this over. No, we're going to go one at a time.
I thought you were going to use the thing.
That would be really neat, though. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Perfect. Alright, so we're going to let these sit for probably about 5 minutes on one side, flip it over 5 minutes on the other side, and Andrew, come get a close-up of this. I mean, this looks pretty phenomenal. Bacon, barbecue, cheddar. Burger. So we're going to have cheddar on those later. But anyway, guys.
Not the cheddar.
Whoop. Coming back to you soon. Looking good. Oh boy, here we go. Alright, guys, here we go. So, what we got going on here, guys? So we're just going to take you step by step on how to do this. Okay, so these are like the most amazing barbecue cheddar burgers you'll ever have in your whole entire life. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to take 1 pound of lean ground turkeys. Now this is 93.7. Alright, we're talking like this is the best of the best possibly you have. 99.1 is a little bit too lean, so we get a little bit more fat. It actually has a little more flavor. Next back, we'll go the bacon bits, so the chopped up ones. Alright, perfect. Alright, so we have 4 strips of turkey bacon that we're going to be, we chopped up already, we're broken into pieces, already made, and we're going to throw that in the burger itself, actually. From there, we're going to do sauteed onions. Okay, so this is actually sauteed with garlic, actually. So that garlic actually really brings out a lot of flavor on your burger. You're definitely going to feel that your first bite is going to be unreal. Alright, so there's that. And then last one, okay, guys, so we're going to get a little shout out here. Okay, so this this is actually a sauce that you put in the burger as well, or you could top it. It's one or the other. So we got some organic yellow mustard. There's like 5 ingredients. You guys can like use your typical stuff. Like look at the back. Sometimes there's like 20 plus ingredients. You don't want it, throw it out. But we have MoJo MaJik. Alright, so this is barbecue sauce. This is actually the spicier stuff. And we do like a cup of each, and we mix them. Okay, so but again, MoJo MaJik, you guys know most barbecue sauces high in sugar. Okay, you guys don't want that. It's gonna actually kind of crush your goals. Alright, so summertime, you want to stay on track. Have a low sugar option. This actually has. I'm trying to read. I'm blind as a bat. How much does that say?
The sugars?
Yeah.
9.
9 grams of sugar as opposed to like 20 to 30 on your commercial brand. So at this thing, guys, we're going to put that right over top. Okay, so now, Mac, what we're going to do is just go 4 patties. So you're going to mix that all up together with your hands here. So you're going to zoom in on that. Yeah, that pot feels fantastic right now.
Oh, and the nails.
And now, just got her nails done on top of it. So now, as Maggie's going to be mixing this together, she's going to form this up, really try to mix it well. Pour them in the patties. We actually have the sweet potato fries already on the grill, okay? So, Andrew cut those up earlier. He did salt, pepper, anything else on those? That was it? Yeah, okay, no, that was it. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, so salt, pepper, and oil. That was it all. So these are awesome. Now we're going to form that right in patties. So you're going to try to make 4 of them.
Take this?
Yep. And then try to make a lip there so they actually cook you in the middle. Boom. Perfect. And then stop right now. Boom, there we go. And that's how you guys do it. So we have the grill already preheating. We got medium heat going on the grill right now, guys. Check us out in about like 2 minutes here. We're going to be guys, what's going on? Whoop, see ya. What's going on, Burn Nation? We're back at it, and now we're taking it to the grill. Okay, so welcome to my backyard, guys. So now we're just going to be taking it through the process. All right, so we already got the sweet potatoes going. All right, so what we did is Andrew put this in tin foil. He wraps it on up, seal it up really tight, and he only does salt, pepper, and a little bit of oil. And he has it on a medium heat. We've been running this grill for about 15 minutes so far. We're going to put the patties on next. Okay, so Mac, we'll throw them on. All right, so really quick, we're going to slide this over. No, we're going to go one at a time.
I thought you were going to use the thing.
Yeah, we're going to do that.
1, 2, 3.
Yep. Thanks. Alright, so we're going to let these sit for probably about 5 minutes on one side, flip it over 5 minutes on the other side. And Andrew, come get a close-up of this. I mean, this looks pretty phenomenal. Bacon, barbecue, cheddar. Alright guys, so we're going to have cheddar on those later. But anyway, guys.
Not the cheddar.
Whoop! Coming back to you soon. Looking good!